Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this 7x7 knotless braids. So I use this Umbra expression pre-stretched attachment. So this is the 7x7 closure I use. If you don't know how to make this 7x7 closure, check the description. I'm going to be dropping the link to the video on how I made the 7x7 closure. So I'll go ahead and fold this 7x7 closure into two to get the middle, and once I get the middle I'll secure it with my needle and then place it on the mannequin head. So make sure you're placing the hairline on the dome cap. Let it not pass the dome cap, let it be equal with the dome cap, and make sure the sides are very flat. The two sides, make sure you flat it with your pin so that you can be able to sew it down. So I started sewing from the right, and once I get to the middle now, I'm going to cut the needle and start sewing from the other side. That's how to sew. Don't sew from side to side. Sew from one side to the middle, then cut it, then start from the other side, then to the middle again. So I'll go ahead and cut off the cap under the net. Where I sewed the net, the cap under it, that's what you cut off. So I combed the hair out so that I can section it and start braiding. So I'm done sectioning the hair. I usually section my hair so that it will be easy for me to braid. So I'm going to use shine and jam to bring the hairs together before I start braiding. So I'll go ahead and start doing my knotless braids. So with knotless braids, it's all about feeding the hair little by little. So if you don't know how to do your knotless braids, just watch closely at what I'm doing so that you can learn how to do it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video. Your likes will be so much appreciated. and drop your questions on the comment section. I'm going to be attending to all your questions. So once I'm done making my knotless braid, I'm going to go ahead and cover the parts where I sewed the dome cap and the net together. Just pass your pin through the dome cap, then through the net, then place your attachment on the pin, bring it out, and then braid on the attachment. You repeat the same thing until the part is well covered. You need to cover it very well. So please, if you want to cover this part, please don't use the big crochet pin. We have the big and the small crochet pin. Please, if you want to cover the part you sewed, use the small crochet pin so that you don't rip off your net, because if you use the big one, it will spoil your net. So I use my concealer to draw a 1-inch line on the dome cap so I can be able to distribute the braids well. Sorry, I lost the clip. So if you're a beginner, please make sure you draw a 1-inch line before you start braiding so that the braids can be evenly distributed. You don't make mistake of packing the braids one side and the other side will be heavy. So this is how to arrange the braids at the back. The back doesn't have to be so full. Your focus should be at the front. So that's why you need to draw the line so that you can be able to distribute the braids well at the back. So once I'm done braiding the back, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the hair, then trim the hair, then add hot water, then I'm going to add my baby hairs at the front, then I'm also going to add my mousse, So I also sewed my elastic band. I'm supposed to use black elastic band, but I thought I had, but I didn't have, and she was supposed to collect the hair that same day, so she said I should use the white one I have. So I used the white elastic band, I sewed it to it, and that's it. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. I want to encourage you to keep on learning, keep on pushing, keep on practicing. Practice makes improvement, and no knowledge is a waste. So thank you. So guys, please don't forget to like this video and share. Your likes will be so much appreciated, and drop your questions on the comment section. I'm going to be attending to all your questions. Thank you, love you all. Mwah.